Have you ever wondered why the world of Minecraft seems so limitless? How it continuously sparks creativity and fuels imagination? Today, we dive into the blocks, the biomes, and the boundless opportunities this game provides. The first step in your Minecraft journey always begins with a new world. From deserts to dense forests, from icy tundra to vast oceans, every world in Minecraft offers a unique experience. Each biome is a new canvas waiting for your creativity to shape it. And it all starts with the first block, the humble block, the core component of Minecraft. Whether it's the sturdy oak wood planks, the shimmering diamond block, or the mysterious endstone, each block has its unique properties and uses. It's like building with an endless supply of digital Lego bricks, each one serving a different purpose in your masterpiece. Next, it's time to talk about crafting. Crafting is the key to survival and progression in Minecraft. With the right combination of blocks, you can craft tools, weapons, armor, and even complex machinery. Imagine creating a bow and arrow from sticks and strings, or a full suit of diamond armor from precious gems. The possibilities are boundless, and the only limit is your imagination. But what is a world without its inhabitants? Minecraft is home to a variety of creatures, both friendly and hostile. The cheerful villagers, the ominous enderman, the explosive creeper, each adds a new layer of depth to the game. Learning to interact, negotiate, or even combat these creatures is part of the Minecraft experience. And let's not forget about the grand adventures that await you. From the treacherous journey to the end to defeat the Ender Dragon, to the exploration of underwater temples and ancient fortresses, Minecraft is filled with epic quests and thrilling challenges. Finally, there's the Art of Redstone. Redstone is the electricity of Minecraft, allowing you to create complex contraptions and automation. From simple trapdoors to intricate computer systems, mastering Redstone can take your Minecraft experience to a whole new level. So there you have it. The world of Minecraft is a canvas, a stage, a sandbox, a playground. It's a place where you can build, craft, explore, and imagine. From the humble block to the complex redstone systems, from the diverse biomes to the thrilling quests, Minecraft is a world of endless possibilities. In this video, we dove into the blocks, the biomes, and the boundless opportunities that Minecraft provides. We explored the core components of the game, the crafting system, the creatures, the adventures, and the art of redstone. Remember, in Minecraft, your imagination is the only limit, so go ahead and create, explore, and adventure in your own unique world. The world of Minecraft awaits you.